So it has been about, I want to say 30 minutes. I know I wasn't trying on like a foundation or anything, just to see like how it is after like a few, like X amount of time, but I had to go pick up my niece from school, and I saw how beautiful the cover FX is, and I'm in love with it. Under the sun, I'm literally glowing, glistening and everything. But this is just a review of everything that I tried from the Boxycharm box. So the first one would be the Eyeshadow Palette by Ace Beauty. Very creamy, super easy to blend. I'm in love, and it's so pigmented, and come on, the packaging is super gorgeous, and I totally love the shades. And I know I only used 4 shades out of 8, but those were the ones that really stood out to me. So yeah, I love the palette. I really love it. The next one would be the brushes. I only used 2 of them because it doesn't have the ones that I needed to pack on, like the glitters and everything. But so far, I like the brushes. The packaging is super cute. The bristles are pretty soft, and they blended my eyeshadows pretty well. And that's really a plus for me because some of my blending brushes really suck. I probably need new ones. So I don't have anything negative to say about that. The eyeliner though, it's not pure black. It has a little bit of glitter into it. That's probably why it was kind of like harsh on my waterline and my tight line, because of the glitters. So it has a little bit of texture to it. It's still pretty creamy, and it's pretty pigmented as well. I know I've used black eyeliners before where it's like it's black, it says black, but then it comes out as gray, and it's an ugly color. But this one, it has glitters, yes, but it's still pretty black. Yeah, and I totally loved how it applied on my waterline. So this is something that I'm gonna be using a lot. And now, let's see, the lashes, I freaking love them. The packaging, really the packaging for each item was super cute, and I'm completely in love, but I like how natural it looks, as you can see. So yeah, I'm completely in love with everything in this box. I loved everything, and I think all 5 combined retails for $108 or even more. But really, for $21, 5 items for $21, it's worth it. Completely worth it. I think I'm gonna keep subscribing to them, to Boxycharm, because come on now, it's such a good way for you to just get out of your comfort zone. And that's something that I've been like preaching about, and like I've been all about that since what, August, since like this summer. But anyway, bottom line, I like this box. I love everything that I got, and I can see myself using everything that I got frequently whenever I go out in the weekends. So yeah, thank you so much for coming to my channel and watching this video. I really put in a lot of work and effort into this one, like all the edits and everything. The eyeshadow, this is something that I usually wouldn't do. Like I usually don't wear pink eyeshadows or like red eyeshadows, but I did today, and I don't regret it. I completely love this look, and I hope you do as well. And before you leave, make sure you subscribe to my channel for more videos. Like this video if you liked it. Comment down below if you have any thoughts, and yeah, I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.